Hi folks, it's HiOnAndroid.com where we get on Android every day. Hi folks, so today we're going to show you how to fix the root problem with CM10.2. It's slightly newer and some of you may have problems with it. Many of you are complaining after installing CM10.2 Android 4.3 ROM that you do not have root. So you download and install Titanium Backup app. It says, sorry, I could not acquire root privileges. This application will not work, and you get mad and frustrated. I'm subscribing from your channel! I hate you! Well, you don't need to get mad or frustrated. Just go do this. Go ahead and close up all the applications here. Go back to System Settings. Make sure you have Developer Options. If you don't have that yet, simply go to About Phone here. Go ahead and hit on the build number until it says you're a developer. I already did it. But once you do that, you'll have an extra option for Developer Options in Settings. Simply hit there and go down to root access. Sometimes this is disabled or only set to apps or ADB only. Simply set that to apps and ADB, allow root access, and boom shakalaka, you should have root, and you get super user requests. And that's how you do it, folks. Don't get mad and frustrated. Get even with CM10.2. Anyway, I hope that solves your problems. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. As always, don't forget to hit the like button here, subscribe button down there, and as always, stay on Android.